Hello students. Today the third part of the light and reflection part. Here I am going to show you the image formation by convex mirror. That is, this is the concave mirror and this one is convex mirror. We will see here that is what happens, that is when image is formed by both type of mirrors. Now this is concave mirror and this position is center of curvature and the object is at this position, and this position is called beyond the center of curvature. Here this is, as you know, this first line, that is first incident ray, it is after reflection going through the focus, and second one is going through the focus and becoming parallel to the principal axis, and the image is forming at this point. That is, it is real and inverted image. Now in case of convex mirror, what happens when you keep the object at any place, and this is the position, what we can say, this same position beyond the center of curvature, and here this is the parallel ray, and after reflection it is diverging, and then this is going like this and it is going to the focus, and second ray is going to the center of curvature, therefore this is the same ray, and image is forming at this point. That is, the image is this one. This is the image. Now here what happened? What is the difference between the image of this one and this one? The position when the object is at beyond center of curvature, image is forming in between center of curvature and focus in front of the mirror, therefore it is real. Now in case of convex mirror, the image is forming on the other side of the mirror in between focus and pole, and image is erect, that is virtual, and size is very much small. Therefore in case of concave mirror, what happened? The image size position, it depends on the distance of the object from the mirror. But in case of convex mirror, that is where you keep the, that is in any place in front of the mirror, if you keep the object, the image always will form in between pole and focus, and this image will be very much small and virtual and erect. This is the image formation by convex mirror. Now next part is uses of concave and convex mirror. For this you see your book, that is uses of concave and convex mirror. That is, this is the uses of concave mirror. First use, concave mirrors are commonly used in torches, searchlights and vehicles headlights to get powerful parallel beam of light. And second use, you can write this one, you can underline it. Large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. And these two use you can that is write. The next one is use of the convex mirror. You see in the page number 168. Convex mirrors are commonly used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. That is, these two uses, this is the use of the convex mirror, and it was the use of the concave mirror. Now next part is very important part of the reflection by the spherical mirror is that sign convention. It is when, that is a mirror, the reflection takes place by the mirrors, then what type of, that is we are used to use some signs, and this is called the sign convention. And this is a mirror, concave mirror. This is the principal axis, and this position is called pole, you know it, and this is focus, and this one is center of curvature. Now what happens when you keep any object, that is the object is always kept on the left hand side of the mirror, that is on this side, any object. In case of concave mirror or convex mirror, object is kept at this place. Then an object at left hand side of the mirror, it is negative. That is, any distances are measured from pole, and that is on the left side of the pole, this side is negative. If this distance is 30 centimeter, that is object distance is 30 centimeter, it will be minus 30. And this side, if anything is in this side, it is positive. That is, it is plus. Therefore, in case of convex mirror, the focus is positive. In case of concave mirror, the focus is negative. Center of curvature is negative. In case of convex mirror, the focus is positive and center of curvature is also positive. And object will be negative. Object is negative. Now height, this height, that is upward, it is upward, object is upward and it is also positive. And in this case, image will form here, and in this downward direction, it is also negative. That means real images are negative and virtual image. For this case, image will be formed here and virtual image is also positive. This is the sign convention we are to use for various numerical problems. Now another one, that is one important part, that is I am showing here only. This is the mirror and focus, center of curvature. Now this is the object and this is the pole, and this is the pole. Here this distance and this is the object, and this distance is called u. The sign of this distance, that is u, means object distance. U means object distance. And if image form here, and this distance will be v, that is v is image distance. V is image distance. And this one is, this distance is small f. F, you know, it is focal length. And this distance is r. R means radius of curvature. Okay, that means object distance, the sign of the object distance is u, sign of the image distance is v, and focal length, you know it, small f, and radius of curvature is r. Now from here we will know about the mirror formula and magnification. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula shows the relationship between image distance, object distance and focal length. That is, for mirror, this formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, and it is called mirror formula. And magnification, it is the, that is ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. And magnification, that is we will write like this way: magnification is equal to height of the image by height of the object, or minus v by u. That means minus image distance by object distance. And these two relationship we will use to solve the numerical problems. This is called mirror formula and this one is magnification.
Start.
Now I am going to show you how to solve the numerical problems by using the mirror formula. In this question, that is, the question is, an object is placed at 30 centimeter away from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position of the image form draw the ray diagram. First, that is, we have to see first what mirror is this, which mirror is this. This is the concave mirror. And second one, what is the position of the object? The position of the object is 30 centimeter away from a concave mirror. 30 centimeter, this is the object distance, and this one is the type of the mirror. Therefore, type of the mirror is, for the ray diagram, this mirror. This is concave mirror, this is focus, and this one is center of curvature. Now, object is at 30 centimeter away from this pole. And focal length, next we have to see the focal length. What is the focal length? This length is what? It is 15 centimeter. This one is 15 centimeter. Now, and therefore this distance will be what? It will be 30 centimeter. We know that, you know that focal length is the half of the center of curvature or radius of curvature, therefore it is 30 centimeter. And object distance is given 30 centimeter. It means that the object is at this point. Therefore, we are drawing here. This is the ray. Image is forming at this position. That means image will form at the center of curvature. Now we are to solve this. Now this distance is u. For all mirror it is negative, therefore it will be 30 centimeter. It is minus 30 centimeter. And f is given 15 centimeter. As it is concave mirror, it will also be negative. And we are to find out this image distance. Now use the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now that is, we are to put the value. Therefore, before it we are to find out this one. Therefore, you keep this here in this position, 1 by f minus 1 by u. Put the value, minus 15 minus 30. Find the LCM. It is minus minus plus, therefore it will be okay. Then 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 equal to, LCM of this is 30. Therefore it is minus 2 plus 1. That is, next it will be minus 1 by 30. That is 1 by v, 1 by v, 1 by v. Now we are to find out v. Therefore, that is, next part is here. Therefore, v is equal to minus 30. That is, object distance is minus 30, and as we are getting minus negative, it is a real image. And this is the position of the image. That means, what is the position here? Minus 30 centimeter. And size of the object, here it will be size of the image as both are same. And this is the ray diagram. And by this way we are to, and the image is real and it is inverted. Real and inverted. And this much for today, and next one will be in the next class. Thank you.